Hello everyone, I am Falak Naz. Welcome back to my channel Crafty Naz. Today's video is going to be completely different. मैं आज कोई art and craft work नहीं करने वाली हूँ. It's a unboxing video of those products which I got for free. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So I received two Smitten boxes and I already unsealed one of them. So the first product is Chambers Lip Gloss Ellie Shine Less Nude, which is very juicy, hydrating, and its shade is 210 and its MRP is 595 rupees. Next product is Pilgrim Super Serum from Korea, which contain 2% hyaluronic acid with kiwi and watermelon. It will hydrate your skin, which MRP is 200 of 5 ml. Now the next product is from Organic Harvest Oil Control Face Wash with organic lemon and orange, sulfate free. 50 grams of face wash is for 95 rupees. Next product is from Plum Body Lovin' Body Oil Vanilla Vibes. 30 ml of body oil is for 150 rupees. Next product is the Mom's Co Natural Clay Face Wash. It gives you deep pore cleansing for normal to oily skin. 20 grams of face wash is for 99 rupees. Next product is also from Pilgrim Alpha Arbutin and Vitamin C Brightening Serum with Blueberry. For all skin types, 5 ml of serum is for 200 rupees. Next product is a perfume from Bombay Shaving Company Veleno. 10 ml of product is for rupees 19. Now the last product of this box is VLCC Ayurveda Neem Face Wash. Now let's unbox the next. Now the first product of this box is Berry Lip Balm from Foressence. 5 ml of product is for rupees 395. Now again a perfume from Bombay Shaving Company Mexico. 10 ml of product is for rupees 19. Next product is from Plum Body Lovin' Body Mist Vanilla Vibes. 30 ml of product is for rupees 150. Now I have Joy Skin Fruit Skin Firming and Dullness Exfoliating Apricot Scrub. 25 ml of product is for rupees 30 only. Next product is Nicolip Lip Lightening Scrub Balm. 5 ml of product is for rupees 99. Next is VLCC Ayurveda Deep Pore Cleansing and Brightening Haldi and Tulsi Face Wash. 15 ml of product is for rupees 19. Next product I have from the Derma Co. 1% of Cellularic Acid Gel Daily Face Wash for Active Acne. 30 ml of product is for rupees 149. Now I have a Beetroot Lip Tint from Kaiwa. And the last one is 6 mini lipsticks from Million Colors of rupees 549, in which I received 6 shades of lipsticks. So total 17 products I got from Smitten for free. You can also grab it. What you have to do is download Smitten app from Play Store and open it. Then you will see a pop-up freebie offer. These offers are changing time to time. Here you are getting 6 trial points and 4 freebies. What you have to do is select a freebie among all these. Now select second freebie, then third, and last fourth freebie as per offer. Now you have to use your 6 trial points. What you have to do is you have to click on the try now on any product whatever you want. There are mentioned the trial points like 1 trial points, in 2 trial points, in 3 trial points. So you have to select. Now click on the cart icon and you will see whatever you selected. And you will see they will ask for 235 rupees for delivery charges. Sometimes they will ask for 199. You will place the order and do payment of delivery charges. You will get the same amount in your Smitten wallet and also you will get back your trial points. Now you can use these wallet money for your next purchase.